This video proves that some people just go to the park to terrorize the geese. This girl was on the trail. She then made a beeline to the geese with her hyper dog. She heads towards the geese. Boo! She spots me and knows she is busted. She quickly moves away. Her hyper dog would rather go after the other dog. Her wildlife harassment is thwarted. She flees the park. What kind of person brings their dog to the park to harass wildlife?
She is startled. Will she fight, flee, or freeze? She flees and the geese are happy. The little yapper wants to charge the big dog. She picks up her dog to keep it away from the bigger dog. Now if she will only keep her dog out of the park.
Boo!